good work tips. What we've done is we've run the joist the shortest span possible. Now, you could do it two ways. You could run it the other way. Because of the size of the building, you'd have to put the ceiling collar joists on top of the walls. Now, if you used to do that, the doubles turn into trebles or quadruples, and you'd need 4 to pick up the flooring. So you'd have to build the walls to carry this on, then you'd have to cut chipboard flooring around the walls, rather than lay all the chipboard flooring, then put walls up. So if you was to run it long ways on the wall, you would use probably bigger timber, or you would do the same as what we've done with the purlins and run it from one end of the gable into the existing gable. You could probably do it as tight as just fixing it. You may have to use hangers, you may have to use bigger timbers and hangers. I have done in several cases, depending on the span. I've done that in a few different sections where you've got various timbers going across, overcomplicated. So if you do it this for the shortest distance, the shortest spans, it's nice and easy. And instead of tying it all in like an A-frame, we'll put the purlins in and we'll bird's mouth them. So we've got it sitting on the purlins, either side. We could do collars across the top. I mean, this is a 4x2 roof, so we've matched the next doors. If we was to use bigger timbers, what it would mean is the heights of the windows that have to go down, and we didn't want to do that. We want to keep that the same. So that's why we use 4x2. So we'd have to use the purlins anyway. So it just works better all round. Some good work tips there. Hope it helps.